Okay, everybody, here for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to access your daily journal. I've had a few questions on that, and I know the first video, maybe I glanced over it a little too quick, so we'll just go ahead and break it down for you in that one. Again, if we go to classwork on Google Classroom here, go ahead and click on evaluations. If you click on evaluations, it's going to take you here, and it's going to actually give it, I know this is the teacher view, but it's going to give you this one here that says the U.S. History Daily Journal. It should make a copy for you, so then at that point you would go ahead and open it, and now it's yours. You're going to use this every day, okay? So if we re-go over what it looks like here, slide 2 tells you the directions, so you want to make sure that you're abiding by this completely, because this is how it's going to have to be for you in terms of your evidence, whatnot. Slide 3 says week 1, so now I'm here. I would go ahead and put the date, so I would put June 15th, day 1. This is where I'm going to respond, already formatted for you, and like it says, you need to put an image or images according to the directions over there, and then change the theme title. Each one of these will represent a particular day, and then if you go down to slide 9, these are for the last 5 days, and you would do that as prompted, but again, it is in your directions here in terms of what you need on that one. So very simple, to the point, but again, once you have access to this in Classroom, once you have access all the time, so you would just keep going back there and adding to it. And how I know what to do for the actual day 1 is I'm going to go ahead and come over here. I'm going to click on week 1, and I will go down and I will see right here. Oh, okay, cool. June 15th, Daily Journal. So that is number 1 for today. And here it is. Why is mythology an important part of a history? Or is it? What does it help us do in society? So you're going to go ahead and watch this video, respond to that, and I also did put a podcast link for what we were talking about today to kind of start the discussion off in that one. So that was what you would respond here in that one. Again, very simple, to the point, quick, easy, what you need. If you need any help, please let me know. But again, this is a great way for us to kind of look at things, wrestle with it, and then at the end of the whole course, when you take your final evaluation, you have all this evidence of stuff that you have here that you can use to answer your final. So it's kind of an open book stuff with your own thoughts in that one. Good luck. If you need me, let me know.